How to fix no sound issue in camera video recording in Android. To do that, you should follow some steps. First of all, go on the settings on your phone. After you go on the settings of your phone, just scroll down and down unless you see the option of app. After you see this option, you can just click on manage apps. And here you can click for camera. And now you can click for the app permissions. Click on microphone. If it is in allow, then there is no problem, but sometimes it might be in deny. And after this, click on storage. This is also done. And there are no permissions denied, so this is okay. So the next you should see is if you are connected to any wireless connection such as Bluetooth or not. After checking and still your camera is not working, then the third thing you can do is go on the Google Play Store on your phone. After going on the Google Play Store of your phone, you can just type for mic tester. After you type mic tester on it, then you can just install any of the app from following and try to speak something and see if the voice is working or not. If it is not working, then you should check your phone on a hardware shop. If it is working, then this is how you do it. I hope this video helped you. If you like our video, then please do subscribe our channel.